Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving straight into one of the most exciting and talked about machines in the automotive world. The 2026 Ferrari F80, a car that represents Ferrari's bold vision of the future while staying deeply rooted in its legendary racing DNA. The moment you hear the name Ferrari F80, expectations skyrocket, and honestly, this car doesn't just meet those expectations, it completely rewrites them. Ferrari has always been about passion, speed, and innovation, and the F80 feels like a statement that the brand is ready to dominate a new era of performance, technology, and design. The first thing that grabs your attention about the 2026 Ferrari F80 is its design. This car looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Every line, every curve, every sharp edge serves a purpose. It's aggressive without being overdone, futuristic without losing that unmistakable Ferrari soul. From the low, wide stance to the razor-sharp front end, the F80 looks fast even when it's standing still. The front fascia is dominated by slim, piercing LED headlights that give the car an intense, focused expression, almost like it's staring down the road ready to attack. Large air intakes are seamlessly integrated into the body, channeling air exactly where it needs to go for cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. As you move along the side profile, the Ferrari F80's proportions are pure supercar perfection. The roofline is low and flowing, the doors are sculpted to guide airflow, and the side air channels look like they were borrowed straight from a Le Mans prototype. Massive wheels fill the arches, hinting at the insane grip this car is capable of delivering. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. The F80 features a wide stance, bold taillight design, and an advanced active aerodynamic system. The rear diffuser is huge, aggressive, and functional, while the active rear wing adjusts in real time to maximize downforce or reduce drag depending on speed and driving conditions. This isn't just designed for looks, it's engineering art. Step inside the 2026 Ferrari F80, and you're instantly reminded that this is a driver-focused machine. The cabin is minimalist, but every element feels premium and purposeful. Ferrari has blended luxury with race-inspired simplicity. The seats are lightweight, deeply bolstered, and designed to hold you firmly in place during hard cornering. High-quality materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather dominate the interior, creating an atmosphere that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Ferrari. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing the driver to adjust driving modes, traction settings, and other performance features without ever taking their hands off the wheel. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and designed to give you all the information you need at a glance. Speed, revs, battery status, driving mode, and performance data are displayed in a clean, intuitive layout. Ferrari hasn't gone overboard with unnecessary screens or gimmicks. Everything in the F80's interior serves the driving experience. Even the passenger gets their own display, showing speed, G-forces, and other exciting data, making them feel like part of the action rather than just along for the ride. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2026 Ferrari F80 special: the powertrain. Ferrari has taken everything it has learned from Formula One, endurance racing, and hybrid technology, and poured it into this car. The F80 is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid system that combines a high-revving internal combustion engine with advanced electric motors. The result is mind-blowing. Performance paired with improved efficiency and instant throttle response. While Ferrari hasn't always been known for hybrids in the past, the brand has fully embraced electrification, and the F80 proves that hybrid doesn't mean boring. The engine delivers explosive power, with the electric motors filling in any gaps, providing instant torque from a standstill. Acceleration is brutal. The Ferrari F80 launches forward with ferocity, pinning you to your seat as it rockets from zero to supercar destroying speeds in a matter of seconds. The sound is pure Ferrari, a high-pitched, spine-tingling scream mixed with the futuristic whine of electric assistance. It's a soundtrack that feels like the past and future colliding in the best possible way. Handling is where the F80 truly shines. Ferrari has engineered this car to feel razor-sharp and incredibly precise. Advanced suspension systems, rear-wheel steering, and active aerodynamics all work together to give the driver unmatched confidence. Whether you're attacking a tight mountain road or pushing hard on a racetrack, the F80 feels planted, responsive, and incredibly balanced. Steering feedback is direct and communicative, allowing you to feel exactly what the front tires are doing at all times. This is the kind of car that rewards skilled drivers, while still being approachable enough to enjoy on regular roads. Ferrari's latest driver assistance and stability systems are also present, but they work subtly in the background. They enhance safety and control without ever dulling the driving experience. You can dial things back for a more relaxed drive, or turn the settings up and unleash the full potential of the car. The F80 adapts to you, not the other way around. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Ferrari F80. From advanced telemetry systems to over-the-air updates, this car is as smart as it is fast. Ferrari has integrated AI-driven systems that analyze driving behavior and optimize performance in real time. This means the car is constantly learning and adjusting, helping you extract the maximum performance while maintaining safety and reliability. Connectivity features allow you to sync your smartphone, access navigation, and even review performance data after a spirited drive. Despite all this advanced technology, Ferrari has been careful not to let the F80 lose its emotional connection. This car isn't just about numbers and specs. It's about how it makes you feel behind the wheel. The sensation of speed, the sound of the engine, the way the car responds instantly to your inputs. All of it comes together to create an unforgettable driving experience. The 2026 Ferrari F80 also represents Ferrari's vision for sustainability without compromising performance. The hybrid system reduces emissions and improves efficiency, proving that high-performance cars can evolve with the times. Ferrari isn't abandoning its heritage, it's building on it, ensuring that future generations can still experience the thrill of driving a true Ferrari. When it comes to exclusivity, the Ferrari F80 is expected to be a rare and highly sought-after machine. Limited production numbers, cutting-edge technology, and Ferrari's legendary craftsmanship make this car a future collector's dream. Owning an F80 isn't just about having a fast car. It's about owning a piece of Ferrari history, a symbol of where the brand is headed. On the road, the Ferrari F80 commands attention like few cars can. People stop, stare, and listen as it passes by. It's not just transportation, it's an event. Every drive feels special. Every journey feels like an occasion. This is the kind of car that reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. In the bigger picture, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a new model. It's a statement. It shows that Ferrari can embrace new technology, adapt to changing times, and still deliver the raw excitement that fans expect. It bridges the gap between tradition and innovation, combining classic Ferrari passion with modern engineering brilliance. As we look to the future of performance cars, the Ferrari F80 stands as a benchmark. It challenges competitors, excites enthusiasts, and sets a new standard for what a modern supercar can be. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan, or simply someone who appreciates incredible engineering, the F80 is impossible to ignore. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just about speed, luxury, or technology on their own. It's about the perfect balance of all three. It's a car designed to thrill, inspire, and push boundaries. Ferrari has once again proven that it knows how to create machines that stir the soul as much as they dominate the road. If you've ever dreamed of the ultimate Ferrari for the modern era, the F80 might just be it. A car that honors the past, embraces the future, and delivers an experience that only Ferrari can offer. And honestly, if this is the direction Ferrari is heading, the future of supercars looks incredibly exciting.